So this is Cristallo. It's probably the latest development in natural stone in the fact that it's translucent. And you can see by raising the back door and letting daylight in, the capabilities of working with this in a backlight scenario is it opens a lot of opportunities. Bathtubs now, you could do a tub deck and face, yes. Dividers, because they're, I mean, rather than a glass divider, you get the privacy and the beauty. So black with a white vein, marble-esque.
That's gorgeous.
This leather finish again is beautiful.
Yeah.
Now this is cross-cut.
Right.
The Italian
so you
word.
Don't get the streaking. Yeah.
Verso.
Verso. Gorgeous.
Vein cut.
Yeah, vein cut.
Verso. Vein cut. Verso.
Great. Oh.
And Verso. You know, is from stalactite. The starting is stalactite.
Yeah.
And this would be vein cut, right? Because of the veins.
Right.
And when it's cross cut the other way, it looks like clouds. Nuvolato. Beautiful, absolutely beautiful. Again, you can backlight it. It's not as translucent as the Cristallo, that's for sure. This is another Onyx, but this one, you saw the other one that was vein cut.
Wow,
this is the same material, cross cut. They call Nuvolato.
It looks like a topographical map.
Here's an Onyx, and again, you know, they're the fact that you can backlight them.
Yeah, I'm going to stick my hand in there so you can actually see through them. So backlit, these are so dramatic.
For sure. More quartzites. I'm in love with this color. I think it's beautiful.
Yeah. Wow.
Some fairly wild marble patterns. Pietra Grey, I mean.
Yep. It's a classic.
Classic. It sells every day, and we've been selling that for 25 years. This is a calcite, which is another type of stone. It's in the marble family, so it's going to react to anything that's acidic. So I probably wouldn't put it on a kitchen counter, but almost everywhere else. And you can backlight it. And it's a fraction of the cost of Cristallo.
Oh yeah, well, the Cristallo, I'm pretty sure, is like the 𝐏𝐷𝐸𝐷𝑦 of countertops.
Yeah.
This is gorgeous. The structure of this is so pretty.
Well, that's the calcite.
Yeah.
Now, if you look at the edge of it, it's very chippy. The material is very chippy. You want to make sure you use a very simple edge.
Right.
If you do something that's 90 degrees, it's probably, if you bang it with anything, it's probably going to break pretty easy. So, but the color's spectacular.
Yeah. Well, and that's part of what you can advise on, and also what an educated designer and fabricator will know is that not every material is appropriate in every environment.
We're not doing Ogee edges anymore like we used to. So, you know, the conversation's fairly simple, but this is the mothership of marbles right now. It's our #1 selling marble. These Calacattas are what everybody wants. They're pricey. They're pricey, but they're beautiful. If they didn't scratch, etch, chip, crack, would be an easier conversation.
Yeah.
Another black material. It's pretty Soho. And then here's another green. I told you the green is my nemesis.
Yes.
So this one is great, but the other one was the quartzite, and this is one of the gray colors that's really, really caught on. People are loving it. Pellegrino again.
Oh, I remember this.
Oh, Cosmos, yeah.
Cosmos, yeah.
No, so we've been selling that for 25 years, and we still sell it.
Yeah.
It's like that black granite. It's like that simple black dress. People like it. It grows out of the ground. If you ever go to Giant's Causeway in Ireland, you'll see what that looks like when it's coming out of the ground. It's really something. It's how it forms. It forms in columns.
Yeah, if you go up to northern Iceland, there are these incredible rock formations.
Basalt.
Yeah, it's so beautiful.
And you see the porcelains. The porcelains, we love them, but the fabricators don't like them because they chip so badly. And you can't fix them. That's the...
Yeah. It's not a through body.
Of all the greens, these two have sold the best. They're closer. They're closer to the mark.
Well, and they're a little bit broken.
Yeah.
The other greens are less broken.
Yeah.
Whereas this is beautiful.
That's a soapstone.
Yes.
Phenomenal story. You know, the original carving stone. First job I did in this was the grizzly hut in Banff. We cut 8-inch pieces, square pieces for their stove so they could cook their meat on it. Because thermally, granite falls apart around 1300 degrees. This is over 2000.
Wow.
And then the biological sciences building we did in soapstone for their lab counters because it's inert. It absorbs nothing, less than glass.
And you oil soapstone.
You have to oil it. And it takes time and time because it doesn't absorb anything.
Yeah.
And feel it.
Yeah, it's like silk.
You know what it is? Talc.
Ah.
That's the secret and magic ingredient.
Right.
And that's vein cut.
That is so beautiful. I always feel like I'm coming to an art gallery when I come see you.
All these beautiful marbles.
Yeah.
Yeah, that Pellegrino video is on our website. We went to that quarry. It's right above the water place in 𝐕𝐤𝐬𝐿𝐵𝐺. Another quartzite.
Oh, wow.
Cross-cut again.
That is gorgeous.
Isn't that something?
So is this copper?
It's iron.
It's iron.
Yep.
Yes, of course it is.
So pretty.
Beautiful.
One of our timeless black granites. We still sell this material.
Yep.
Architecturally, it's a base material. And
yep. This is pretty.
Yeah.
You don't see a lot in the blues.
The blues, so 2 years ago, Pantone's color was Perry blue.
Yeah.
So we started to follow them a little bit, and the color sold very well for us.
Mm-hmm. He's very happy.
That's a material that's, some people will sell it as a soft quartzite, like military intelligence or big shrimp. There's no soft quartzite, it's either hard or it's not. So we sell it as a marble because there's calcium carbonate in it, and if you expose it to like lemons or wine, you can stain it. You can stain it.
Yeah. It's gorgeous.
Another beautiful color.
Oh, the textures are just beautiful.
Well, you can see the reflections on the polished materials.
Yeah.
They call it hydro finish.
And is it permeable?
Oh yeah, I bought it for fireplaces or
I was going to
columns.
say I would use this on a non-wet surface or a vertical surface as opposed to a horizontal.
You could never clean it.
This reminds me of Taj Mahal.
Yeah, it is. So this is out of the Taj Quarry. It's the beige vein. They call it the Renaissance side.
Okay.
Most of it comes with a green in it. If you see it, yeah.
Yeah, I've used the green.
Yeah.
We're definitely seeing warmer tones everywhere. This is just
phenomenal.
Exquisite. I mean, some of these I would hang as art.
Yep. We're doing a lot of this Cristallo right now.
Oh, wow.
And we have a slab at the end. I'll open the back door so you can see what it looks like. Its redeeming quality is that you can backlight it.
Okay.
But these gold veins, people are loving them.
Yes. This is very fancy, Don.
Yeah.
Very fancy.
So I'm going to open the door so you can see what happens to this stone.
Oh, okay. This is what happens when you backlight some of the quartzes. Hi, Don. Oh,
but that gives you an idea what the backlighting does. Isn't it something?
So beautiful.
Thank you so much for tuning in. We know you learned a lot from Don Burton from Stone Selection. Their website is in the description, so go ahead and check that out. Don't forget to hit subscribe, like, share, and turn on those notifications so we end up in your feed. Thank you. Until next time.